In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add, edit, and upload your products to Amazon Seller Central so you're live on Amazon and you're ready to start making money. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are, we're in Seller Central. First things first, what you're going to need is you're going to need a UPC code. You need a UPC code to upload onto Amazon unless you're exempt, which that's a whole nother topic, but you're going to need one. So I get mine at instantupccodes.com. I've never had problems there. It's relatively cheap. It's not a lot. It's maybe $1 or so per UPC depending on how many you buy. So assuming you have one available to you, what you're going to do is you're going to come here to the inventory tab in Seller Central. You're going to click add a product over here on the right hand side, and then we're creating a new listing. We're not hopping on anyone else's listing. We have a private label brand, so we're going to create a new product listing. So this is where you're going to have to actually classify your product. So you're going to need to find your category, whatever it may be. Some are restricted, some are not, some you need approval for, and there's a lot that you don't. So for instance, if I wanted to do backpacks or something similar, I could either come in here, I could go through subcategory to subcategory and eventually find it, or I can just go up here and type backpack. And then I'm going to want to come down here and find exactly what category fits me. I mean, there's duffel bags, there's electronic stuff, there's laptop cases, all that stuff. So what I want to do is I want to do sports and outdoors, fan shop, bags, packs and accessories, backpack. So basically like a sports backpack or hiking, any of that stuff. And you can also try many keywords in the category to try and find something else as well. So if I do backpack, what I'm going to want to do is I have all my vital info here. I have my offer, images, and variations. We're going to do this in a different video for variations, but this is where you would create your parent and child listings if you had like colors and sizes and different styles. So for simplicity's sake, we're just going to do one listing. We're not going to do any variations. So we're going to need to start here. So I already have my UPC code attached, and I'm going to highlight that UPC. So that's my code right there. It's unique. I have not used it for any other items. So you need a unique code. You're going to do product name. For beginners, right now you don't need to have all of your keywords and everything like that. Just to get it in the system, let's say we're going to type hiking backpack. Now you're going to know your brand, you're going to know all that stuff. So normally I would put the brand in all caps in the beginning. Hiking backpack, we're good to go, right? So manufacturer, we'll say we're hiking supply. We'll say that's my brand name. Whatever your brand name is, you're going to want to do there, and you're going to want to do here. So hiking backpack, hiking supply is my brand, hiking supply is manufacturer. No variations. Offer, we're going to do price. So let's say you want to sell your product for $49.99. Set your price whatever you want it at. Condition, you're going to do new because obviously we're selling a new backpack. And quantity, just set it for 1 for now. You could set it for 20 or 50 or how many ever you have. But for starters, I'm just going to put 1. Now this button down here is going to tell me whether I want to do seller fulfilled, whether I want to ship it myself, or I want to send it into Amazon FBA so they can ship it. So I want to ship this myself. For starters, we'll get into FBA and stuff in another video, but that's going to get us seller fulfilled. Images, we can wait on that as well. So vital info, good. Variations, we're not doing that. Offer, we have everything in there that we need. Images, we'll get to that in a minute. So save and finish. Alright guys, so here we are. We just submitted the product into Amazon, and now it's going to bring us to this page. So it's probably going to say suppressed or inactive right here, just because we need to do a couple more things. We need to upload image, we need to upload description, and even if it's just very basic for now, just to get this listing active. So we're going to click on edit, and if it's suppressed, it's going to have a big triangle with a red exclamation point in it. So like description, that's why I just put something very basic. Again guys, this isn't an optimized listing. This is just getting the listing active in Amazon system so then we can come back and we can optimize, we can do everything else. So just taking it tab by tab, this is everything that we have done before. This is the category, brand, manufacturer, product name. Again, we're going to switch that later on. No variations. Our offer. Here's our SKU right here. You can also get that from the manage inventory page on the left. You have your shipping template. If you're doing FBA, it's going to automatically update. This is going to be your basic. The migrated template is what Amazon is going to start you off with. So the release date, a lot of this stuff you don't really need to know about, but just in case you got to get down into some finer details, it's here. So it's not battery, nothing like that. We don't need to figure any of this out. Images, you're going to want to upload an image or it's probably going to be suppressed. It has to be 1,000 pixels on the shortest side, and they also want it in JPEG format. So pictures they get sticky with sometimes. Just do it less, or do it a minimum of 1,000, and then also JPEG format. You should be good to go. Description, it was suppressed because of the description, so I just put the best backpack available today. Heavy duty, sturdy zippers. Again, we're going to do a bigger description. This is just for now. This is going to be your bullets, the key product features. Double stitch bag, you know, buyer hiking backpack with confidence. We want to fill 4 or 5 of those out, and there's a certain structure and template that I use there. We'll get into that later, but again, this is just getting the listing up. Keywords, your search terms are hugely important. Up to 250 characters, backpack, bag, orange, sports, hiking, outdoors. All of our keyword software is going to go into the titles, bullets, description, back-end search terms, and again, video on that later on. So more details. There's a bunch of stuff here. For FBA, you're going to need to type in all the dimensions, weight, but you're going to see that once you fill everything out and it's not suppressed, it's not throwing any error codes anymore, your listing is going to be active. It might take like 15 minutes to reflect on the Amazon website. Also, it changes when you go to change the title or you go to change description, any of that stuff. It's going to take a second. So, you know, go away for 10 or 15 minutes, come back, refresh the page, and it should reflect the changes that you just made. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. That's how to upload. That's how to edit and add. We're just getting the product on Amazon. We're not optimizing right here. We're going to do that later, but this is just to get the product going, get your first product set up. All the tabs here from vital info all the way to keywords, search terms. But yeah, once you save and finish here, your product's going to be live, and it should be on Amazon's network, so you can search it in the search results. So anyways, guys, I hope that was valuable. Hit the like, subscribe button. Let me know what you like in the comments. Let me know what you want to see in further videos, and I'll be happy to put those out. But for now, that's all we got, guys. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.